Right, here's the situation. Day 2, this is our last day to get this car out of here. It's at least down on all 4 wheels now. The car don't start. Not even Ferrari know why it doesn't start yet. Like, they've plugged in, they can't see any reason why it don't start. On top of all of that, the handbrake is now stuck on, so we can't push it anywhere. So a goal right now is to just get the handbrake so it goes off, then we can push it, get it on a trailer to get it out of Cyprus and back home to the UK, where we can work on it and try and figure this thing out ourselves.